This home behind me is in Kerrisdale. It's on Larch Street. Let's go in and take a look.
We're gonna walk up the porch and turn around to look at the street. Then we will walk around the outside of the house to see what it looks like. This brand new house offers 3,500 square feet of living space, boasts really good secondary schools like Lord Byng, often known as McGee, as well as Churchill Secondary in its reach, and is incredibly well situated, just a 10-minute drive to UBC and 20 minutes to downtown Vancouver. It's got a laneway in the back and a basement, offering fantastic potential for rental income. Okay, let's head back to the front door of the house and we can begin to look inside the home. The brand new build, it comes with the peace of mind of the 2, 5, 10 new home warranty. All of this priced at $4,199,000. Now let's dive into what makes this location so incredibly desirable, and what buyers like you truly care about in this vibrant West Side market. When you look at areas like Kerrisdale, Dunbar, Point Grey, or parts of Shaughnessy and Oak Ridge, which encompass the reach of these top-tier schools, you're stepping into a world where prestige meets practicality. Buyers in Vancouver's West Side are looking for more than just a house. They're investing in a lifestyle and a legacy. Schools are paramount, even for those without young children, as the reputation of institutions like Lord Byng and Churchill directly impacts property values and attracts future generations of discerning families. It's about providing the best educational opportunities, and these schools consistently rank among the top in the province. Beyond education, convenience and connectivity are key. Being just a 10-minute drive to UBC is a huge draw for academics, staff, and families with university-bound students. Imagine the ease of commute, avoiding the daily grind of traffic, and with downtown just 20 minutes away, you have quick access to the city's business hub, cultural attractions, and entertainment. This neighborhood embodies Vancouver West Side charm, tree-lined streets, a blend of elegant older homes and sophisticated new constructions like this one, and a strong sense of community. Depending on the exact pocket, you could be moments from the boutique shops and charming cafes of Kerrisdale, the quiet, tree-canopied streets and community feel of Dunbar, or the stunning ocean and mountain views of Point Grey, with easy access to beaches and Pacific Spirit Park. These areas are affluent, safe, and offer a truly high quality of life. From an investment perspective, this property is particularly compelling. The 3,500 square feet of brand new living space is a significant asset in a market where new, high-quality detached homes are becoming less common, and the presence of both a laneway house and a basement suite is a game-changer for rental income. In this market, you could potentially see a laneway home command anywhere from $2,500 to $3,500 a month, and a well-appointed basement suite bringing in an additional $2,000 to $3,000 plus dollars. This substantial income stream can significantly offset your mortgage or provide a fantastic supplementary income, making this a smart long-term investment. Finally, the 2, 5, 10 new home warranty offers invaluable peace of mind. It means your new home is covered for 2 years on materials and labor, 5 years on the building envelope including potential water ingress, and 10 years on structural defects. This is a crucial assurance for any new build, protecting your investment for years to come. While the Vancouver West Side market has seen some recalibration recently, with a slight softening in some areas, the demand for premium, well-located, and newly constructed homes like this one remains strong, especially with the scarcity of new inventory. This house represents a rare opportunity to own a piece of Vancouver's most desirable real estate, combining luxury living, exceptional education, prime location, and significant income potential. Don't miss out on this extraordinary offering. I'll leave you to the video now. Relax, enjoy the music, and feel free to ask if anything comes to mind.